Hi everyone, I'm Marie and I'm from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing another budget-friendly, fast and easy crock pot meal. And it's called crock pot chicken and gravy, and I'm going to be serving this over rice today. And one of our sides is going to be carrots, and this is a good recipe to use in your crock pot on these hot summer days in Georgia. It's only about 77 right now, but later on today it'll be way up in the 90s, and so it'll be really hot and humid. So this will be good when we come in from doing all of our errands that we got to do today. And so I'm going to be using chicken breast, and I'm going to be using chicken gravy mix and cream of chicken soup. And so let me get started on this fast and easy recipe. When we went to the store the other day, at the market that we were at, they didn't have any boneless chicken breasts, so I just deboned mine. So let me get my hands washed and I'll be back. Okay, I got my hands washed. Now I'm putting some antibacterial cleaner on where I was deboning my chicken. Do one more thing, I'm going to rinse it off. Right down. Now this would have been a lot more easier recipe if I hadn't had to debone my chicken this morning. But sometimes you can't always get the cuts of meat that you want right now. And so I've got them in my crock pot now, and so I'm going to be mixing up my gravy mix for my chicken. And you'd want to spray your crock pot before you start this meal. But if you don't, like I did, you're going to have to do a lot more scrubbing. I forgot to spray it. But so don't do like I did, spray your crock pot. Okay. So now I'm going to be putting in my cream of chicken soup. And this is it's going to be a very good helpful meal for us today, considering all the things that we've got to do today. And this will be done when we get in. I think I'm going to spoon and get all that. It's only about 77 right now, but it'll be way up in the 90s later on today. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in my gravy mix. I'm using the Great Value mix, but you can use the name brand if you don't like Great Value. But we don't mind Great Value. Okay. Now then, I'm putting a half a cup of water in this. Okay. This is how thick my gravy is, and if you want yours a little thinner, you can add a little bit more water to it. Mr. Calvin, do you want yours thinner, or do you want it this like this?
Just like that.
Okay. So this is going to be put on low today for 4 to 6 hours. So you just pour your gravy juice over your chicken breast. And also you'll want to salt and pepper your chicken breast. So I'm going to put just a little bit of pepper right here.
I like how that's looking.
And I'm not going to put any salt in mine because I think that there's salt in the gravy mix and also in the creamy chicken soup. So let's put some black pepper on it. Okay, I'm going to turn it on low now. Right there. And here's my fast and easy CrockPot meal, assembling it, but I don't know if you'll call it really fast or not since it's going to take about 4 to 6 hours, but to me it's convenient. So, see you later. Hi everyone, we're back from running our errands, and my CrockPot chicken and gravy has been cooking for about 6 hours, and so I'm going to shred it up now and serve it over some rice. It smells really good.
Nice and tender too. It looks great.
Mm-hmm. My daughter is actually making this herself today, and we had no idea that we were going to make the same thing. She called me up and asked me what was I having for dinner, and I told her, and she says, "You're not going to believe that, but that's exactly what I have in my crock pot."
That really smells good, Marie.
Yeah.
And what are we going to be having with it?
We're going to be having some green beans and some carrots. And we're going to be having some vanilla pudding for dessert.
Sounds great.
Okay, this is just enough for me and Calvin tonight, and we'll have some leftovers. And if you have a big family, you can just double this recipe. And here's my rice. It's got just about 2 or 3 more minutes. These are my carrots. I cooked them in brown sugar with a little butter, and that always makes them special yummy. And this is my green beans. Okay, my rice is done, and so I'm ready to plate it up. And I'm going to put my green beans in the plate. And I'm going to put my carrots. Okay. And a little pepper. And a little parsley. And it really smells good.
Okay, that looks like my plate, Marie. You gotta make you one now.
Okay, I got both of my plates plated. And so I can't wait to sample it. Okay, I'm going to do a taste test of my CrockPot chicken and gravy. Let's see how it tastes. That's very good. I can't wait to finish it.
It looks good, Marie.
Yeah,
We got pudding to go with dessert too, don't we?
we sure do. And I like the fact that this cooked while we were out doing all of our errands and come home and had a nice meal. That's the easy way.
Fast and easy way.
Yeah. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.